Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to quickly build a production-ready AI agent using VoltAgent with memory and tool integration included. We'll also be using VoltOps, the LLM observability platform that comes with VoltAgent. It gives us a playground for fast development and lets us visualize and debug our AI agent's flow on an end-to-end style canvas. Now let's start bootstrapping our VoltAgent development with the npm command. This command walks us through a few simple steps to set up a new VoltAgent project and get it ready for development. During setup, you'll be asked a few questions about the project. I'm leaving the project name as default for now. Choose whichever package manager you use. I'm going with npm here. At the final step, it asks if you'd like to add MCP docs to your editor. And we're starting the project with dev command. You can see it's up and running now. VoltAgent exposes a REST API, and you'll also find the Swagger docs right here. And the connection is established so that we can automatically test our agents on the VoltOps console. This interface lets you see and test everything about your agent in one place with a built-in chat UI and a clear N8N style canvas that visualizes your entire agent logic, which becomes especially valuable as you move toward production. Let's click the Test Workflow button at the bottom and try it out by sending hello. Our agent gave us a simple response, and in the chat box, we can see each step it went through to generate that reply. If you noticed, there's a warning saying memory is currently disabled, so the agent won't remember anything we say. In the next part, we'll configure memory so the agent can actually remember conversations and hold a proper back and forth. Right now, we can still see all the inputs and outputs in detail, which is super helpful for debugging. Additionally, we can log detailed things like how long each tool takes time and how much the model uses tokens. We can view memory and conversation history in the same way. Are the tools working? How are the responses coming back? We can view everything here: the agent info, inputs, outputs, and all the events. Let's quickly take a look at the code we generated. This is where we define our agent, who it is, and how it should behave. VoltAgent starts everything from this class. We also need to pass the agent into the VoltAgent instance so the framework knows about it and we can test it in the playground. In this part, we define how the agent will behave. So this prompt goes from there to the model. The tone, style, and task are determined in this area. In the LLM and modal fields, we choose which LLM provider and which model to use. We used Vercel AI and GPT-4o Mini. VoltAgent allows you to work with a single type of API for all LLMs. In the last line, we start the VoltAgent server with the VoltAgent class, and also we passed agent to constructor of class. It opens REST API endpoints on port localhost 3141. Also, this is the part that automatically connects to VoltOps Playground, and we can test our agent from here. As a result, with just 15 lines of code, we actually created a production-level AI agent. It has memory, tools, and can be monitored in VoltOps observability platform. Since there is no boilerplate, you directly focus on the business logic, making things easier for you. Now we will move on to the next step that will be using tools with VoltAgent and VoltOps platform.